Right, so we're now inside, just by the door. Carbon monoxide alarm is there, and your smoke alarm I'm just about to put up, just opposite side. Right, so the first thing we need to do, master switch on. Now I've got all the lights left on because I've just made sure everything worked. Okay, but as soon as you turn the master switch on, it turns the power on inside the caravan. So lights off, lights on, they're all separately switched. Awning is awning light. So awning light is above the door. Don't know if you can see in the sun, but it is there. Okay, and first thing we need to do is get some water into the caravan. So make sure the pump is on, and you need to draw the water through all the taps and the shower to make sure there's no airlocks. If you have drained the water down previously, then it will take a minute or so to get the water to come through, certainly on the hot side, because it needs to fill the hot water tank first. Okay. Lovely. Okay, so we now know that there's water all the way through the pipes. So if you're on mains, down here, just by your feet, there's a switch there that says Alder water heating system. Turn that on. This is for mains operation. And then this panel here, just below all your master switches. Okay, as soon as you turn your master switch, that will light up blue and everything looks like that. So press any button to start. So this row here is what we're concerned with. So yes, we want the heating and water heating system on. So on. Move to the right. What temperature would you like the room? This is room thermostat. So 30 degrees is the maximum. Sorry about that. So it's quite warm in here today, so I'll stick it at 20 degrees. Stall. Across to the right, water. Do we want the water heater off or on? On. Okay. Do we want it on gas? Yes or no? So on or off, so we'll have it on. Okay, do we want it on mains as well? You can go up to 3 kilowatts on mains. Most sites will only allow you 2 kilowatts, depends on how much power they're allowing you. Okay. And that's it. So the water and the heating currently are being heated with gas and 2 kilowatts of main. So that will heat everything up quite quickly. About 30 minutes or so, everything should be up to temperature. If you don't want to use them both together, turn whichever one off, gas or mains. And when you come to turn everything off, just go to everything to the left. Doesn't matter about the temperature, but you can turn everything off. That's the whole system off. There is advanced settings. Either read the book or watch YouTube, because it's we just get you to the point where you could get hot water and heating on. There are timers, etc., that you can set for that. That panel will go dark to stop it keeping you awake, but whilst you've been using it, it glows blue. Right, so that's your heating and your hot water. In fact, no, it's not. I will just show you your transfer pump in the wardrobe for your heating, because you'll wonder what that is otherwise. So your heating system works off a transfer pump, okay? So in here is your antifreeze, and you can just see the line there. There's a minimum and a maximum. It should be about 1 centimetre above minimum, which it is when it's cold, not when it's hot, because it expands. If it does drop, you can take that cap off and top it up in there. But that in there is what flows around all your radiators. You may hear a trickle out of the wardrobe, just a very, very faint one, just when it gets hot in the radiators, just because you can hear the that fluid just bubbling round. Right, so that is your heating and hot water system. We'll go through the next steps.